Hey everybody, it's Chris from Steeda, and today we're going to be installing these Morimoto XB LED Euro style taillights fitting your 2015 to current S550 Mustang. We're going to do a quick product review and then show you a step-by-step installation of how to install these on your S550 Mustang, and ultimately some glamour shots of these things installed. Check it out. Here we have the Morimoto XB LED Euro style taillights fitting your 2015 to current S550 Mustang. In terms of fitment, these LED taillights will fit all trim levels from 2015 all the way up, and frankly, I love the clear look of these things. What sets the Morimotos apart from everything else in the market in terms of Euro style taillights is that these have sequential ambers built in, meaning that your running light and your brake light are both red like normal, but for the turn signals, you get the sequential ambers from inside to out. It's a really cool, unique look. Definitely makes you look twice, especially here in the US when everything else is red for these Mustangs. And frankly, it sets things apart big time. These taillights are a plug-and-play installation. Literally only takes about 10 or 15 minutes to install. We'll show you in a minute. As well as they're DOT and SAE compliant. They're built with a polycarbonate UV resistant lens. They're gonna stand up to the test of time no matter how much sunlight gets in there. And on top of that, you have the 5-year limited warranty with Morimoto. So if you have any issues with these things, don't hesitate to reach out to us or Morimoto directly. We'll be happy to take care of you. Really excited to get these things on the silver bullet. So we'll show you a step-by-step installation and ultimately what they look like after they're installed. Let's get to it. Here are the tools required for the installation. First, you want to disconnect the negative battery terminal. Then work your way to the trunk. If you have a subwoofer installed, remove the smaller Torx bolts along the bottom panel. There should be 3 of them. Then you can move to the larger Torx bolt towards the top right-hand corner of the subwoofer. Remove the bottom 2 bolts holding the subwoofer to the trunk floor. Next, you want to remove the plastic interior panel. There are 4 hand screw nuts that hold this interior panel in place. Go ahead and remove those. In order to remove the interior panel, there are a series of clips along the edge near the trunk latch. Make sure you pull out and then up in order to remove the interior panel. Once that's set aside, you can take the subwoofer and slide it out to get access behind the taillight. Then there's a plastic Christmas tree along the top holding the carpet in place. You can remove that and then slide the carpet out of the way. Regardless of whether or not you have a sub, you'll need to remove the interior panel out of the way. Remove that Christmas tree so you can slide the carpet aside. Then you want to grab a 10mm deep socket so you can remove the 3 10mm nuts holding the taillight to the car. Once they get started, you should be able to get the rest of it off by hand. Then you can unplug the connector once all nuts are removed. At this point, you're ready to pull the taillight out. You can remove the rubber grommet and then pull the harness through the hole, and the taillight's removed. Grab your new taillight, slide the harness in, make sure the rubber grommet is properly sealed against the paint, and then you can slide the taillight into place. Once the taillight is in place, you can take those 10mm nuts and put them on hand tight. Then go ahead and tighten them down. At this point, you're ready to plug in the connector. Go ahead and repeat the process on the other side, and your installation's complete. Overall installation really is quite easy when it comes to swapping out the taillights on your S550 Mustang. Let us know your thoughts. I love the amber sequentials that come with these Morimoto taillights. Hit that comment button, let us know what you think, what we should do next to the Silver Bullet, what other lighting needs to be added to Steeda.com so we can get those videos out to you. Hit that like and subscribe button, the notification bell, and don't forget the most important thing, speed matters.